I know you're impatient to set sail.
Yeah.
Yes!
But today is a special day. We have to choose, as is our tradition, our leader for the year to come.
Ooh.
I know it is a formality, but is there anyone here who wishes to challenge Halvar as leader? No one at all?
No. Hey, maybe Gorm wants to be leader.
Oh, no! I don't! No, thanks! Not me! I didn't think anyone would want to challenge me.
So, now the gods will decide what task you must carry out to prove your leadership.
Throw the runes, Eurobe. I can perform any task the gods desire.
Of course, that's it. Before the sun sets, you must make a seagull land on your helmet.
I've got to attract a seagull? Easy peasy. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Get your fishy, fishy, fishy.
Yay!
Halvar, it is forbidden to attract the gull with fish. Now, the runes are quite clear.
It's scared of the shiny totem face.
Halvar is cursed.
The gods haven't chosen him.
Silence! Halvar has until sunset to make the gull land on his helmet.
Gorm is not the chief.
The gods aren't that crazy.
However, if he cannot do it, the first person to have the gull on his or her helmet will be Flake's new chief.
Oh, don't worry, Vic. After I've eaten these, I'll smell so fishy that the gull will think I'm a giant sardine. It'll land on me straight away.
I'm not too sure about this, Dad.
You see, Jure, my shirt smelled of fish. That's what attracted the gull. It should leave me alone now I'm wearing a clean one.
I can't smell much difference, Gorm. Maybe that one's more cod and this one's more herring, but they both smell of fish. Yes, it's definitely the smell of your shirt.
I've got to find Halvar.
Sorry, Dad, but there's no sign of the gull.
It may be that you still don't smell of fish enough.
Oh, look! There it is!
Halvar! I've washed my shirt, but it still smells of fish.
gall's going to land on me!
Gorm shirt, Dad. Put it on.
Oh, give me that. Here, birdie, birdie. Birdie, birdie, no. Come down, come on. No! Ah! Ah! Wait, birdie, birdie. Wait for me. Come on.
Oh, I think that qualifies as cheating, Halvar.
Oh, we can't go on like this. We're going to end up with Gorm as chief. Can you imagine that?
I think I've got just the right idea to help Halvar. Remember what we said?
The barrel, Fax! The barrel!
Would you mind getting into the barrel, please?
What are you doing, Fax? This is supposed to be a punchy commando operation. You've got to grab Gorm and throw him into the barrel.
It's the only way to keep Halvar as chief, Gorm. We mustn't let the Seagull find you.
You're right. Take me as far away from the village as you can.
Ouch!
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Ow! But if I'm not chief, what am I going to do?
You could retire.
Retire? But a real Viking never gives up. You taught me that, Papa.
You're right, son. There's still 2 hours to sundown, and I'm not beaten yet.
What are you going to do?
If the Seagull doesn't come to me, then I'll go to the Seagull.
Go on, Dad. Again.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! I didn't know it was nesting season, Halvar. Nice nest, though.
Birdie, birdie, birdie.
You've got to admit it. Halvar makes a really good tree.
Yeah, he's really branching out.
Leave me alone!
Your idea was sure to work, eh?
Are you sure this is going to work, Halvar? I don't want to be the chief.
We'll just have to trust in the gods. And Vic.
The gods better hurry. There's not much time left.
Oh, poor old Halvar.
Poor old Gorm.
Poor old Flake.
There it is.
Seagull! It's the Seagull! I'm the Chief of Flake!
Halvar's the chief!
That's the chief!
Hooray! I'm not the chief! I'm not the chief!
That's the chief!
Oh, Vicky, you did it again.